quite the lackluster morning this morning. But I woke up and did find out it's gonna be 78 degrees tomorrow. So when I went to class this morning, I pretended to be a motorcycle for the entirety of the class. And then I realized it's gonna be nice the rest of the week, so I thought let's go back home today to grab the bike. So I got in my car and made the hour-and-a-half trek from my school all the way back home.
Maybe lock them doors and turn the lights down.
And that brings us to here, which we have some stuff planned. I had an idea that I think I could possibly beat a NASCAR pit crew in changing a tire. I don't think maybe. But before we get into all of that even further, Ring sent me a car camera that they wanted me to test out, so I'm going to go do that and give a comprehensive review. If you want to go watch that, that'll be on my Instagram. But for you guys, we're going to see if we can beat a NASCAR pit crew in changing a tire. Okay, obviously NASCAR has everything prepped for them. So they have their tires prepped and they have everything ready to go and launch off. So we're gonna even the playing field a little bit. What I'm counting for is jacking the car up, like removing the tire and putting it back on. Because NASCAR can do it in this time, and I'm gonna see if I can do it in this time. Timer starts as soon as I click it once down, and then we're just gonna remove the tire, see how fast that is, and then we'll reset the timer to put the tire back on and bolt everything in. 2, 1.
Many months later.
Hey, time. This was a really stupid idea. I'm just gonna change the rest of the tires. There's no way I could beat a NASCAR crew.
How warm is it there, by the way? F me. Okay. Now let's just slowly accelerate so we don't get in trouble. Although I want to f***ing rip the shit out of this bike. We'll have time because we're in low power mode. Okay, by the way, this was like the main purpose of me doing this. Not only it's good for the bike to have your first oil change done professionally, it's gonna be set up so I can run in full power mode without damaging the motor, because I no longer will be in the break-in period. I dead ass thought he was down to race, and I was like, all right. And then he just took off. Like he didn't do a countdown, nothing. He just disappeared. I got excited, and then for nothing. Boring ass people. Am I getting passed by a dump truck and I'm doing 70? What the f? I'm supposed to be there in 10 minutes. I'm 24 minutes away, and I got stuck behind a f***ing freight train. I also just got caught in a rainstorm, and I didn't want to record because I was more focusing on trying to stay warm. There's the end of the train. We're good. It stopped raining though, so that's good. It was supposed to be like significantly warmer when I was coming here, but it got freezing because of this rain. Hopefully they take a good chunk of time to do this, because if I have to leave within an hour and it's still freezing, I'm gonna be pissed. Well, any reason we're taking these train tracks at like -5 miles an hour? Can we move it here, people? Fart cannons. You got 4 miles to continue straight for 4 miles. Come on, peeps. You can do it. We are going to be showing up 17 minutes late. Give me a green arrow. Please, for the life of me, give me a green arrow. You f. Alright, we made it. It's a nice 1,000.
What's up, man? How's the bike? It's a lot of fun. Good, good. I see you keep watching your videos, man. Good job. Oh, thank you. Yeah, no problem.
Do you do, are you a YouTuber?
I do a lot of stuff on social media.
2 hours later.
Alright, first thing we gotta do, you already know it. Select power mode, full. Alright, let's try not to die. See how much more kick this motherfucker has. My clutch feels a little weird right now, I don't know why. Oh, I can already feel it being a little bit more jumpy off first. Alright, oh my god. I can't wait to fully use this thing. Ah, it's no longer in the braking period. Whoa, the front wheel just wants to pop up, just even a little bit. Oh, that's jumpy. I like that. We have all 127 horsepower at the tips of our fingers. Jesus Christ. 127 fucking horses on 400 pounds. That's stupid.
A few moments later.
Baby, let's see how this thing really climbs. Holy shiitake mushroom. This thing is stupid. Oh my god. Couldn't have asked for a better day for this. And I'm also realizing that I'm short shifting. Like, that was another big thing I've been noticing. I'm just not used to running a bike up that high in the RPM, or any vehicle. It's just crazy to me how high this thing can run. Okay, we're gonna chill the rest of the ride. Partially because I don't want to die or get in trouble. Either of those things would suck, but we are gonna pass this guy. Try not to put my f***ing chocolate milk. Oh, I'm home, baby. I'm still like kind of shaking. This thing is so stupid. I can't tell if it's just because I'm hungry or I'm just lost. That's dumb. That's dumb.
All right, and on that, I think that's where we're gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I am like, my shoulders and everything are just shot. It was a long day, but it was worth it. I'm excited I got to finally use the bike in high power mode. I'm sure we'll test more stuff out in the future, but I think that's where we're gonna end it for today. Anyways, if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and drop a like on today's video. Like always, I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, and on that bombshell, I'm turning into Stradman.